In this video, I want to show you how to fix a paper jam on your Brother INKvestment printer that is the MFC-J1365DW or any similar models. So once you get a paper jam, what I suggest all the time is to go ahead and disconnect the printer from the power source. Paper jam could be in many different places. I'll show you different compartments where you can look out for it. So the first one is to simply remove the paper input of the printer. So pull this drawer completely out, usually by wiggling it at the end. It should be, okay, perfect, out. And then tilt the printer on its back. You're gonna notice these rollers. This is a major point where paper jam occurs. So every time the paper gets taken by these rollers, there's a chance that it will get stuck, especially if the paper comes crooked inside and it's not aligned properly. So take a look, and if you see any paper getting stuck, remove it with your fingers or with a pair of tweezers. If nothing is out of the ordinary there's many other places. There's another place where you can look. So let me put back this drawer, turn the printer all around, and on the back they have made a small door that you can pull down and have access to another compartment where paper gets stuck usually. So again, if you see anything abnormal, simply take it out with your fingers. Now, if everything looked fine and you're still wondering where is the paper jam coming from, you can also take a look right over here. That's the paper output, and sometimes deep inside there paper can get stuck. It's not usual. Most of the time it's where the paper goes in and not where the paper goes out. But if this is the case, well, you'll be able to, with a pair of tweezers, extract it. At the end, once you have resolved this issue, plug back the printer to the power source. The printer will wake up by itself, and the error will also go away by itself because the printer will notice that there's nothing wrong and it can print. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.